What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making a chicken Caesar sandwich. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need chicken breast, ciabatta bread, eggs, butter, Parmesan cheese, anchovies, garlic paste, lemons, garlic, flour, Italian breadcrumbs, Romain lettuce, parsley, Dijon mustard, vegetable oil, seasoning oil, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, kosher salt, and black pepper. Begin by butterflying the chicken breast. Place the chicken breast in between 2 pieces of parchment paper and tenderize. Finely chop 6 cloves of garlic using the rolling chop and smear the garlic occasionally to form a paste-like consistency. Next, finely chop 3 anchovies using the same rolling chop. Combine the garlic and anchovies. To a bowl, add the garlic and anchovies paste, 2 egg yolks, the juice of 1½ lemons, and a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Season to taste with salt. Whisk the ingredients together, slowly add in about 1½ cups of vegetable oil, and continue to whisk until the Caesar dressing is creamy. Add 3/4 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and mix well. And there you have it, Caesar dressing. Season the chicken breast to taste with seasoning oil, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Flip the chicken and repeat. Season 1 cup of flour with seasoning oil, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Season egg wash with seasonal. To batter the chicken, start by placing in the egg wash, then flour, egg wash again, then breadcrumbs. Fry the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Chop up some parsley. Next, we're going to make a butter spread. In a bowl with a half stick of softened butter, add about a tablespoon of garlic paste, parsley, and a half cup of Parmesan cheese, and combine the ingredients. Season to taste with garlic powder and salt. Slice the bread in half. Coat the top of the bread with the butter spread. Bake the bread at 350 degrees for 5 to 6 minutes. Top the bread with Parmesan cheese. Add romaine lettuce to a bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of Cesar dressing and about a half cup of Parmesan cheese, and give it a good toss. Now it's time to build the sandwich. Add a tablespoon of Cesar dressing to the bottom bun. Add the fried chicken and sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Add the Caesar salad, more Parmesan cheese, and the top bun. And there you have it, a chicken Caesar sandwich. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.